What's up, y'all? Today I did a thing. I went on Homeaglow and I booked a cleaning for my house, a 3-hour cleaning for my home. So I got up at 8 this morning and started doing just my regular chores that I do every day, because the main points I wanted her to get were like the floors, all the bathrooms, and the girls' rooms and stuff like that. So I still did what I would normally do. Now, the reason I booked a cleaner was because with us just moving, me just starting school, and being a stay-at-home mom, I am just too behind and I cannot catch up. So I just needed somebody to be there and basically power clean while I do the little tasks throughout the day that I haven't been able to get done. That's just been piling up on my list. So yeah, that was my reasoning, and I kind of had talked myself out of it multiple times after thinking about it, because it's like, you know, that's something fancy, like you don't need to do that. But it's like, if you have it, why not pay for convenience? Why struggle doing everything by yourself when you could just get some help? It's okay to need help. It's okay to get help. And that don't make you fancy, bougie, none of that. That makes you responsible for taking charge of your mental health and doing the self-care and being vulnerable with yourself and open with yourself enough to say, hey, I ain't got this. I need somebody to help me get this. So by this point, the cleaner had made it, and I was able to work on my closet, which another task that was on my list at the top, but I just could never get to. So I organized my closet and made more space because I want to be able to get things off the floor and use the shelving in my closet so that I can actually install some more shelving. I got this idea of like how I want to add more storage to my closet because it's pretty big. And Hakeem uses another, it's a lot of closets in this house. He uses another one. So I want to, you know, optimize my storage. So yeah. Once I finished my closet, it was on to the most put off task, y'all. My daughter's room. Oh my God. So I picked up all her toys and put that bottom shelf that I need to put on her crib in her bed for a second, and her little ice cream shop pieces because she took it apart for whatever reason. And once I put all of her toys in that bucket, I also got a chance to clean that bucket today while she was working, because I thrifted that bucket. But once I did that, I ran the shark in her room and just let it go. And then I dumpster dived this trash can about maybe a week ago, brand new. And the only reason it got thrown out is because it has a dent in the side, which I'm about to show y'all how I'm going to pop that thing out and use this trash can, because there's nothing wrong with it, y'all. See that? I just took my hand and, you know, boop, boop, boop. And there we go. Now, are y'all ready for this? This lady cleaned my house so good. I mean, this is amazing. This set me ahead. So much time I can focus on homework, focus on baby. I'm doing my laundry myself. I just prefer to do my own laundry and stuff like that. And I did clean my own room. So like you see the clothes and stuff on the beds because I'm folding them. I changed my sheets and stuff. She did the bathrooms amazing. The floor's clean. It just looks great in here, y'all. It looks great. I was able to get so much laundry done, and I'm so thankful that I went through with that decision and I didn't second guess myself, because it's definitely worth it. Click the link in my bio if you want to try it and get a 3-hour cleaning for $19. After she left, I did purchase a air conditioner for upstairs, because in a 2-story house, it just don't get as cool on the top as it does on the bottom. So I purchased this little air conditioner to kind of help us out, and here I am unboxing it. It was only $130, I believe, from Walmart, which is an incredible price. It can vary as a dehumidifier. It can also be a fan, or it could be an AC. You could use it in a window or out of a window. But after reading the instructions and trial and error that you're about to see, I figured out that I don't want to use it without a window, because if you don't know, air conditioner unit that is not central AC, it pulls air from elsewhere and spits out cool air, but the hot air also has to escape the machine. So if you don't use it in a window, it's just gonna cool one area and heat up another one, which defeats the purpose. So I put it in my room, as you can see, and it worked perfectly. We had a very cool night. Everybody's room was cool. Yeah, I started on some din din for my bae. I made his favorite because I had time today. So glad, again, I got my house clean. I got time to do stuff, y'all. So I made beef tips and rice for Hakeem, and that was it for the evening. Once I finished cooking, I took me a little smoke break, watched Mama June from Hot to Not, and folded up my last little loads of clothes in my cold room, y'all. Today was such an excellent day, such a good day, y'all. Moms of multiple, salute to you. Salute to you. Moms that are just on top of everything with no struggle, making it look easy, salute to you. This was dinner. After me and Hakeem ate, y'all, we went to sleep. Again, if you need a cleaning, check the description and use that link and get your house clean for 3 hours, period. And it gives you a voucher, so why pass that up? See y'all later. Subscribe to my channel.